Hello and good morning. Welcome back to another episode of This Is Me Farming. Today is Friday the 10th of January and it is a cold one. It is still snow on the ground. It's currently saying it's -5. Today, my last video, you could see my lambs had scab and I was planning on dipping them. But it's been getting colder and colder as the week has gone on. So I haven't had the chance to dip them because I don't think it's fair. Like the dip water would be very much freezing. So I didn't think it was fair just to throw lambs into freezing water. So I'm going to wait until next week for it to dry out a bit. So they're still in the shed in quarantine with food and water, waiting for it to warm up to dip. Today, though, is muck belt day, so I've got to take the tractor and trailer up to the hen house and clear the muck belt. And I think I'm getting a small load of straw as well, so I have got plenty to do. But first, I need to defrost everything before we can start. So let's get to it. That is cold. Oh yeah! Another cold. So today is not going to plan. The brakes have frozen on, just this back right brake is frozen on the trailer. So I'm currently just pouring boiling water on the brakes. I'm on about my 11th bucket to try and unseize it. So yeah, great start to the day. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, I'm the man! I am the man! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, all the wheels are free and rolling! Oh yeah! I'm the man! My poultry shed here is in the middle of nowhere, so I could only get single phase electric to it. Well, most poultry sheds run on 3-phase electric. So I'm on single phase except for the muck belts. My muck belts are on 3-phase motors, so I have a generator to run the muck belts because the belts are 100 meters long, so they need big motors to pull them up, so that's why they're on a 3-phase motor. It wouldn't be as efficient on single phase, so I always have to run the muck belts off a generator. I made it into the hen house. I've had my fancy coffee and now we'll start the muck belts. So I'll just explain the muck belts before I start them. This here is called the cross conveyor. This runs the width of the shed and that collects the muck from the 6 muck belts that are under the system of all the hens. So where these orange curtains are, there are muck belts, and the orange curtains stop the muck falling out onto the floor. So what we do is, I'm gonna have to fade it because I need to flip the camera. Fade. Here we go. This is the cross conveyor. Put that on auto and start. And then this starts. And then we'll put, I only do 2 belts at a time. Belt 1 and belt 4 on. Then muck starts coming up the belt and tipping out into the trailer. As you can see now, the floor is moving and the muck is getting dropped down onto the cross conveyor and taken out into the trailer. Now it's just a waiting game, waiting for the trailer to fill. Keeping an eye on the belts to make sure that they're running straight and there's no wibble wobble, and to make sure that you're not overloading the cross conveyor. So it's all just a fiddly weighty job now. Yeah, fun. Job done. Now I will take it home, put it in the storage shed and get on with the rest of my day. Today is just not one of them days. It's a bad day. Jonathan has filled the telehandler with diesel and not put the cap back on. So now we are missing the cap, the fuel cap of the telehandler. We're both combing the yard looking for it, and I've just come down to the second stack of bales, my second cut. What a lucky boy Jonathan is. Not even a scratch on it. He is a very lucky boy. Would this have been a fireable offence? No, worse things happen at sea. Jammy boy. Jammy boy. Oh, nice load of straw just arrived. Get that unloaded. Reckon I'll get all 3 of them? Are they heavy, are they?
Well, no car can't run at pace. Yeah, you'll have to take one.
Love it. Absolutely love it. I got a 13 plate Merlot in there. Horrible compared to this thing. Absolutely horrible. This is hellish smooth. And it fits inside the chicken shed. So it's like, can do everything. here we have it, ladies and gents. Straw unloaded, stacked in the shed. Jonathan obviously is here today, so he's bedding and feeding the cattle, which is nice. So I am going to shoot off and get a haircut because I haven't had a haircut in ages and I need one. So yeah, haircut time. I have just got back from having my haircut. Look at that fast. It's taken ages because I got distracted. I saw Lidl's and then I went into Lidl's and did some food shopping. And when I say food shopping, I bought some pink donuts, some Hot Wheels, and some fish and chips to cook later. What time is it now? 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna go pick my son up from school, and then that's it. I'm not gonna do anything more. It's a Friday afternoon. Might go to the pub. It's just, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I might go to the pub. So that's the end of YouTube video today. Sorry, it's just random, but that's just the way farming goes. If you've watched it, thank you very much. If you're new here, thank you again. And don't forget to click the like, subscribe and little bell. See you next time.